This video is about how to log in and what Boom Cards is going to look like. Boom Cards is going to be a new app that you're going to find on your iPad starting tomorrow. It's going to have a blue background and it's going to look like a burst, like a boom sign that you'd see in like a superhero show, like a big starburst in the background that's white. Okay, so you're going to click on that icon, that app, and this is the screen that's going to come up. You are going to go up here and you are going to click the green button that says Student Sign In. After you hit Student Sign In, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks like this. You are going to find your name and you are going to click on your name. And for this one, since I have Grafton's code right here in front of me, I'm just going to click on Grafton. You're going to see the password box pop up. Everyone's password is the same, okay? It is lowercase p a t r i o t s 1. Patriots number 1, and there's no spaces, and it is all lowercase. After you type in your password, you're going to click the button that says OK. Now your screen's going to look like this. You'll see your name in the top left corner. You're going to see some different icons here about decks and cards. Don't worry about those for now. What you're going to look for, though, is the decks that you've been assigned. And since these are called Boom Cards, they assign everything in a deck, like a deck of cards. So you're going to see today I have 3 assignments in there for you. You do not need to complete all 3 of these today. You have all week to be working on these 3 things. The decks that I'm going to be assigning you are going to be either things that we're currently working on now or things that I would like you to review that we've done in the past. So you're going to choose whatever deck I have assigned to you or that I put in your to-do list for today, and you're going to go to that. We're going to start right here. The slides I have are showing you adding 2-digit numbers. So I would click there. Once I click there, this is what my screen is going to look like. It's going to be a picture here on the side, and then there's going to be an equation. The directions say solve the equation and type the answer. So when I know the answer, I'm going to click here in this box or here in this box to put a number depending on how I added this. So I click on the spot. And then this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see the card is going to get really small and your keyboard is going to pop up. So I click here. I can only type 1 number in each box. So I typed a 3 here in the ones place and a 6 in the tens place. When I'm done, I'm going to hit this blue button right here, submit. Okay. After I submit it, it's going to accept it, and then a new equation is going to come up for me to solve. Again, I'm going to click here or here to add in a number, 1 number per box. When I'm ready to keep going, I'm going to either hit submit, or if I'm done for the day, I'm going to hit up here in this top left box where it says save and quit. So if I hit save and quit, then it will save the work that I've done so far, and it will let me exit back out to that main screen. If any of this doesn't work for you, let me know, but it should work pretty simply. I've been practicing getting into everybody's on my iPad, logging out, logging back in as each person, and so far it's working really well. So let me know if you have any problems, and this will be a Tuesday assignment. You will see me assign some Boom Card time on your to-do list.